This is going to be a huge cosmetics company sale haul. I went to the factory today and I got a ton. Look what's in this bag, baby. Felt offended when they gave me the receipt, if I'm being quite honest. And I got a little bit of sticker shock when they rang up my products and I was like, ugh. So I made them take a few off because I just kept grabbing and I needed to like pull it back in, you know? I went into like blackout shopping mode, especially when 50% off sales, right? Majority of the stuff I got were MAC. So I found so many discontinued MAC lipsticks that I kind of blacked out. And I found a bunch that I haven't been able to find online. So I went a little crazy. Okay. One of my favorite MAC lipsticks of all time was Brave. They had Brave. I was so excited and I got a bunch of them. Now, all the lipsticks were $11.50. Now, these are the old formula. Brave is re-released in the new Maxima line, but I do like the old one better. So I was so happy to get my hands on this. So I got 2 of those. I did find the old taupe lipstick. So somebody recently had asked me if the old taupe and the new taupe compared. So I figured I'd pick it up. It was only $11.50. So I grabbed this. Can't even tell you how excited I am. I'll show you guys what Brave looks like. This is what Brave looks like. This is mine, the one I already had. I found some shades that I don't currently have, and I found some ones that I had that are probably expired that I got, you know, I just couldn't stop. I got Captive, which is a beautiful plum shade. I used to have Captive a long time ago, and now I have it again. I've already swatched it. Well, let me swatch it again. Oh, so pretty. This one I was so excited about. They had Faux. Faux was actually one of my favorite lipsticks for years. It was one of my first just kind of pinky nudes. I couldn't believe they have it. I could not believe that they had it, and I had to absolutely get it. It's like a more pigmented version of Syrup. I love Faux, and I don't have my Faux anymore. Like, I don't know what happened to it. I bet you it's somewhere in the hundreds of MAC lipsticks I have, honestly, but I picked it up, I saw the opportunity, and I grabbed it. Such a beautiful lipstick. I saw Marrakesh, so I decided to pick it up because I do have the new formula. I don't have the old formula. So just in case anybody wanted me to do a comparison, I would do that. The shade is so, so beautiful. I love the new one. So this is the old one. Look at how pretty it is. Perfect for fall. I cannot wait. The MAC Nudes came out. It was just after Christmas. So I only got a few months. Okay, fall time is when I really hit up those ready browns, so I'm very excited for fall this season. Also found Dallas lipstick. Look at how beautiful this is. This is just like this gorgeous color. Look at it. Oh, so beautiful. I also picked up a backup of my Velvet Teddy, and you wouldn't get it. I don't have this lipstick. I've never seen it before, and I just grabbed it because I couldn't swatch it. Oh, that's beautiful. Holy mackerel, that was a win. Look at how beautiful that is. Wow, it actually kind of looks like Faux. And it's not Faux, you wouldn't get it. Pfft, that's a score. I'll put a little bit of this on because this is so pretty. Beautiful. You guys can believe it, I never had MAC Red. I never had it, and I saw it and I got it. Guys, I need one more freaking lipstick in my collection. I saw them. I'm telling you, I blacked out. I blacked out. So this is MAC Red. This is stunning. Oh, what a beautiful tone. It's perfectly blue tone. Wow. I really blacked out because I got 3 backups of Brave. That's a lot. These 2 lipsticks I got were Mocha. Oh, that's beautiful. That's really, what a great shade. And this is a satin lipstick. I feel like their satin lipsticks are like their mattes now. And I saw an opportunity to get myself another Honey Love. I couldn't resist. Honey Love is just stunning. So one of my greatest finds, honestly, they had Power Surge Eye Pencil, which is my favorite eyeliner. And this was discontinued several months ago by MAC. So to find them was just a coup. I only have about this much left on my pencil that I use, and I barely use it because I'm just scared to run out. So I'm so happy to have this now. Let me actually show you guys what it looks like. This is what Power Surge looks like. It looks unbelievable on the waterline. I mean, this is the most beautiful antique gold that ever existed in an eyeliner. I also ran into one of their gel eyeliners. This is in the color Stage 5 Clinger. This is really, really beautiful. I thought this would be really great for the waterline. It's almost like this nude copper. I also grabbed one of their brow pencils. This is in the shade Spiked. So it's just this dark taupe. It's really pretty. Let's wrap this up. Okay, so I also got one of their Retro Matte Liquid Lips, and this is in the shade Gems and Roses. Look at how pretty this is, right? I mean, I had to do it. I had to do it. Oof, give me life. Found 2 lip glosses. This one is 2 Plumps Up. So this is one of their Power Glass Plumping Lip Glosses. This is what the shade looks like. So pretty. Just like a nice nude. I'm running out of area here. I also found the lip gloss in Dangerous Curves. Look at how pretty this is. Oh, beautiful. Last of what I got this like gunmetal eyeshadow. It's just one of those singles. I also got a Dazzle shadow in this like crazy pink sparkle that I couldn't resist because it was just calling out my name. It's called Love Yourself. So pretty. I love their Dazzle shadows. They're just absolutely glittery. What am I doing? Let me swatch it for you guys. It's absolutely glittery and delicious. Look at that. It's perfection. And the last 3 things that I got were some brushes. Now they had my absolutely favorite foundation brush. This is the MAC 170S. This was $21. This brush is normally $45. Even with my MAC discount, it's $25. So $21, I jumped on it. And then I also got a couple dual fiber brushes, which I absolutely adore. MAC 128S is one of the brushes I use every single day, along with the 127S. So these brushes are phenomenal. Hope you guys enjoyed my cosmetics company haul. I know there's a lot of MAC lipsticks because I love MAC. This is my favorite lipstick brand of ever. And when I saw the opportunity to grab a bunch, I grabbed a bunch. I mean, $11.50. I can't say no. Well, if you stuck around to the end, thank you.